Hello all, welcome to my channel Journey with Sam. So today I'm going to talk about vector. What is vector and why do we create and how we can differentiate the vector from the list. So in the list I will say in the coming session, but today I'll mostly focus on vector. So now you can create a vector. So before going into definition, so I'll write one numeric vector. So once you execute this, you can see the x. So once I print this value of x vector, it gives a sequence. So about a sequence of the element. Either it can be a numeric or integer or a character or a logical data type. So when we but one thing unique about is you can only create a homogeneous type of element here. So you cannot have a integer with numeric or numeric with character in that way. So it will be differentiated. In the list we can use a combination of all type of data types, but in vector we cannot do, but it is efficiently used in the statistical analysis and many more. So in the C, what will help you? So it will help you to combine the sequence of element. So that's why it is showing 1, 2, 3. So now we will create one more element like 4, 5, 6. So once you execute the y vector, so it's give you the 4, 5, 6. So now we'll write one more combination as x, y, and we are combining with the x with y. So let's see what will happen now. So let's print this what the xy is giving the value. So now you can see like 1, 2, 3. So it is combining the sequence of x with y. Now we can write the combination of the vectors here. So now I create a variable called xz and we will write x plus y. So always be careful when you write the letters here. So in R it's a case sensitive similar to Python. So whatever you define as a small case, it should be in the small letters. If it's an uppercase or uppercase or in a capital, so make sure that you define your variables or functions in the similar way how it was defined. So let's execute this and let's print, and you can see 5 plus 7 579. So what happens, like it's combining, like 1 plus 4 is 5 and 2 plus 5 is 7 and 3 plus 6 is 9. So this is the how the vector is getting initialized here. So we learned about the numeric one. So now learn about the character ones. So now we will create a ch a vector. So now we are using the combinations here. We are using the banana, apple, banana, and orange. So once you execute this, so it's creating a character vector here. So let's print this. You can see in this way. So now let's assume we will again write a combination of all these three kind of vectors what we created here. Okay, and the final and the C combination of x, y, and ch, and we also combined the variables here. So let's execute and let's print this. So once you see here, so all one, instead of a numeric, it's all been converted into a character because of the ch character vector. So make sure that you define the vectors in the right way because it's a homogeneous. Either it can be a numeric, either it can be a character, or it can be a logic one. So now let's learn about the logic. So how do you write? So now we will writing the true false statement. We'll write as a false, again as a true, again false. So let's execute, and you can see how the logic vector looks like. So you can see the true statement or false statement. So this is how the vectors can be created. In the coming session, I will talk about the list and the difference of the vector and the list, how it will be differed from the list, and how the vector can be defined. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.